So take your coffee grinds and slowly pour them into the bowl. And this is where we're going to mix our concoction. And then you take some Epsom salt. There's no real measurements. If it's this amount of coffee, put the same amount of Epsom salt. So it's a little bit hardened, so we'll break it up with the fork once we pour it in and mix it. I just mix it up a little bit. There's a lot of big chunks here and there. Just break it up with your fork. And then add about a teaspoon of coconut oil. Just scoop that in there. And the very last step, we're just going to add a couple drops of whatever essential oil you decided with. So there's like 8 or 10 drops. Here's a couple of the eucalyptus oil that I've chosen. Just mix that up again. You can't smell it, but it smells wonderful. Take your mason jar, and this might be a little bit messy, so I'll just put the mason jar back on the plate, and you'll put the stuff inside the mason jar. And cap it. And there you go, your DIY coffee exfoliant. So let's add some pizzazz. I have this chalkboard adhesive I got from Home Depot. It's 18 inches by 6 feet, so for this label I'll have enough for about a million or so. I'm going to use my hole punch, and if you don't have this hole punch, then you can always just use scissors. So I'm going to put it in and just press it down. There you go, a cute little sticker. Anywhere where there's a flat surface, like something like that. You can use chalk, or I just have this white pencil crayon, so I'm going to decorate it and make it a little bit more nice. So I wrote the name, and then I also wrote the date here. I'm just going to curl these ribbons and we're done. So kids, if you don't know how to use scissors, just ask your parents for help. And there you go. That's a super easy DIY. You can give this as a gift or just use it yourself. Fuel your mind, body, and soul. Make something every day. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and follow. See you next time.